How to add GIF on Instagram Notes. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile devices. Then from here, go to the DM section of your Instagram account. Once you come here, you'll see the category of your note. Simply tap on What's New option text. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of GIF. Tap on it. Now simply search for a GIF you wish to add. Now from here, you can choose the audience you wish to share this GIF note to. Choose friends you wish to add, or you could also add certain people to your close friends. Then tap on Done, and all you would have to do is tap on the option of Share. And with that, you will successfully be able to add GIF on your Instagram notes. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.